Oh wow, that is delicious.
Yeah. Oh.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to day 2 here in Panama City, Panama. Yesterday I showed you the nice pool area here, my Airbnb. I'm starting my day off a little late, man. I was so tired, guys. I mean, it's just been a long day yesterday. And unfortunately I got up late and now it's all cloudy. But yeah, you can see over here, down that way, it's still nice and sunny. So hopefully this is just blowing over. So yeah. Julie's getting her workout on over here. Let's go peep on her real quick. But yeah, I just wanted to come over here and relax. But the weather is looking like it's drizzling now. I don't know, maybe I could take a quick dip. Check out the Hard Rock Hotel. It's completely empty, man. They pulled out of Panama right after the pandemic, or during the pandemic. Technically it's not over, but anyways. Bad business, man. They had to pull out, unfortunately. So this is a great neighborhood to stay in. It's called Marbella. You have plenty of restaurants, plenty of cafes, little bars. Here we have a little hostel. You can see here, a little store downstairs. So yeah, just a really nice area to stay in. So this is Punto Marbella, this plaza here. You got plenty of restaurants. They have good pizza, delicious chicken right here, buco pollo. Maritanos is a good place to come have breakfast or some like Panamanian style breakfast. Come check them out. Okay, Uber's on the way. We are going to Mercado de Mariscos to have lunch. I love the fried fish. I can't really eat seafood because I have a shellfish allergy, but I love some fried fish. So we're gonna go get some lunch down there, bring you guys along, show you around. But yeah, we had a nice time up there at the pool. It started to rain, we had to leave. Then we went back down, showered, got some work done, and now it's lunchtime. So we're gonna go head over there, show you a little bit of that. It's really close by here, down the street on the Cinta Costera, really close to Casco Viejo. So we're going down that way. What are we doing, waiting? Alright, so we were greeted at the entrance there. They told us to pick wherever we wanted to sit. Came over, brought us a menu. A nice big menu right here, all in Spanish. For you guys that don't speak Spanish, you're gonna have to use Google Translate or whatever. But yeah, if you like ceviche, they also have ceviche here. Beer, sodas, water, juices. So Julie's ceviche has arrived. For those that don't know what ceviche has,
Our recipe here in Panama is really simple. It's fresh squeezed lemon juice, finely chopped onion, and parsley. And if you're into spice, then they also add ají chombo, which is the Scotch bonnet pepper.
also guys, I know a lot of people are familiar with ceviche from Peru. It's completely different the way they make it and serve it here in Panama. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Just a little small bite. Oh wow, that is delicious.
Yeah. Oh, also the seafood, when it's added or when it's prepared, is actually raw, and it's the lemon juice that cooks it down.
That right there, that's the best part right there. That little, the juice there, delicious. So I tried Julie's ceviche. I ordered a fish ceviche, ceviche corvina. It's also the same thing. You can get your ceviche in different types of ingredients in it, like octopus, shrimp, fish, and I'm gonna mix it up. I'll be honest with you, I think the octopus one is better. But what you wanna do is you wanna load up your cracker, load that bad boy up. And you wash it down with cold Panama. This is a mayo-based like dipping sauce for plantain, and this is a Scotch bonnet hot sauce, which I do not eat. So enjoy that, Julia. What you do is grab your lime, limon, squeeze it here all over fish. Obviously, this is all personal preference, but it does give it that extra flavor. And just got to be careful with the bones. Let's go ahead and take our first bite here. Oh, look at that. Flaky, nice fish. Nice and flaky. First bite. Nice and crunchy. The batter tastes really good.
It's a light batter.
Yeah, it's a light, very light batter, very flavorful, really delicious. Super moist. It's not dry at all. Another tip is, you run out of crackers and you still have your ceviche, throw that on your patacon. And the place is nice. It's got good music, good salsa. You like salsa? Place is outdoors with the roof over. Very clean out here. So I recommend this place. Don't be scared to use your hands either. In fact, better way to check for these bones. Well, as you can see, I destroyed that fish. It was very, very, very good. All right, guys, lunch was fantastic. La Bendición over here, and next to the Mercado, which right behind me is the Mercado de Mariscos. Here's the main source of seafood for Panama City. Restaurants, everybody comes here and gets them. Let's go inside and just take a quick look. And just want to show you guys around. Come on. Sí, okay. Wow. Okay, so that was the Mercado Marisco, the seafood market, and right next to it, they have a bunch of stalls, a bunch of little restaurant stalls. You can sit there, have lunch, eat. Got a lot of good atmosphere there, a lot of music, just a bunch of them to pick from right there. And right next to that is Cinta Costera, which starts right here. Come out here for a nice walk, enjoy the views of the city here, and just walk around here. We have a park in the center over there. It's really nice. So yeah, this is that part of the city right here. It's called Cinta Costera, and over here is the Mercado Marisco. Right over there, this is all parte of Casco Viejo, back in that area, the old Spanish quarter of Panama City.